From Rust to Rich's Golf. This is the final episode, by the way. You know, I had to get all dressed up, you know. This actually cost me 50 quid, this coat, and it can barely fit me. So, we'll look a bit technical. We're going to do the whole breakdown of how much the golf cost. It is like this. Was it a cheap car or a dear car? Let's do the math, Jimmy. Let's break it down, Jimmy. You hate me calling you Jimmy. I can barely see it. Jimmy, I don't even know these like magnifying glasses. I can barely see it these days. These are your glasses, but Jimmy, run me some charts. But first, let's break it all down. I can't see it. The glasses give me a sore head. Right. Let's do a little bit of a list here, right? Front bumper. Front bumper was 20 quid. The grill, we got it for 40 quid. Alright. Bonnet, we got the bonnet and all this wee trim stuff from my cousin's car, as you see. So we got that. I gave him 100 quid. So we got a bonnet, we got the boot lock thing with the badge, and we got loads of wee things that you wouldn't have got unless you went to a scrapyard. And even at that, I wasn't going to drive up the road. I was driving up the road. Right. Chrome mirrors. There, Hank. Chrome mirrors are 30 quid. Wind deflectors. £20. eBay is hard to beat at this stage now. Ollie wheels. We got the Ollie wheels and the rear bumper trim. Now we'll go to the rear bumper very soon. The R32. We bought the rear wheel. We've got 6 Ollie wheels. We've got the bumper thing for £270. But I had to drive for nearly an hour to get it, and I got McDonald's or KFC me in the cup. That cost 50 quid too, so it's not 270 anymore. It's 330. We had to eat and we had to drive a van. So. What else? The badges, I had them free. They were just sitting around. Happy days. Somebody lost badges. Something from the there. And we got new tyres. £120 for 2 tyres. Because there was 2 good tyres on the wheels at the bottom. Which wasn't too bad, you know what I mean? But I hate the upgrade. Right. Well, actually, now when we're looking, Jimmy, that is giving me a sore head, them glasses. Hey, kid. Oh, but do I look the part?
Oh.
Do I look the part?
Oh, I.
Well, can't. I don't care. It's all a bit of crack. Brakes and pads. And we've got the full service kit for 180 quid, I think 188, say 190 just to give her cut her even. Jamie, you're good enough to do most of the work, so that's in between our time. We're not even putting on our labour, nothing at the minute, we're just saying how much the parts are at this point. So for brakes, pads and service kit was 190. With somebody coming in, we're going to have to pause this video for 2 seconds. We're back, man's gone, and he's laughing at me. He didn't give me anything. It doesn't matter, man. You flip that out. So, and here, as you know, we did a big full clean and we did the roof cloth. Now the roof cloth's not as dear as what you'd think. I got it quite cheap. It was under, it and the glue was under £60, okay? Maybe £80 tops. It was the time it took me a full day. Ooh, but it was worth it. It looks class. Now if I was going to do it for something else, it definitely won't be that price. Lottery numbers. So, side skirts, I think I said that, or maybe I didn't. Side skirt, £50. Local fella over the road, PO, thank you so much. Come on, Jimmy, come on. We'll see if we can do this quite quick. Aerial, we need a roof area. £5 on eBay special. As you know, as I said, the R32 valence I got, it was the same colour, so no paint, which was great. So I got them and the wheels for £270, plus the £50 for KFC and a wee bit of diesel in the vehicle, the van. Number plates. Got them off from my friend Instant Performance in Cookstown, £30. 3D. He did me trade price because I'm a great guy, you know. That was it, like the badge I said, I got it and stuff. Now I got something just free today that I really wanted. I'm going to show you now. I was looking on our badge and I got it for free today. Look at that bit, I'm going to glue that on. Look at that. Going to make it an R. I don't know where to go underneath it, or to the side of it, or above it, or somebody just said just don't put it on at all. But I like it, I'm going to do it. I just got that today, so we're just finishing it. What else is there? Come on, them there glasses are blind. I think we're nearly there with the scenery.
The sills.
The sill, we bought a sill. It was £40 at RT's, thank you very much. That's where I get all my stuff there for paints and stuff. It was £40, and then obviously me welded it in. Painting material, it wasn't too bad, but a couple of £100 did painting material. I actually had a bit of reflex silver and stuff, but again, I didn't have to spend too much there. Again, RT's sorted out the paint. Do my discount, you're always looking after me. Give me a good shout out. What else? MOT, had an MOT or taste. Now, I was slow, I should have had the MOT booked for a retest, but no, I had to go for a full retest because it wasn't quick enough, or I wasn't thinking about it, went past the date. Who does that? I did that. So I had to pay MOT £38 now. So 238's, my accountant comes up to £76 for two MOTs, 2 full ones. But we've got her tested. She's not going to the scrap heap. We've got her over the line. We've got the full MOT on her. She's ready for sale. So I hope I went through this now, Jimmy. Let me get a wee quick glance over this again. Now, Mr. Minnie had to go to Mr. Minnie's. We had to get it, because Jimmy couldn't just do this now. Not to say he probably couldn't, I just didn't trust him. So Paul Minnie, my best friend, he put in a handbrake and front spring. And I'd said, I think it came up on my account that I had the parts for about £80 or something like that. I don't think it was too dear. And I don't know how much Paul is, but he's looking this painted red, so I don't think he'd be too sure of me. So I've no price for his labour, because I think we'll exchange a service for a service. We do that, we're quite good that way. I think we're nearly rounded up there, Jimmy. Just take a wee glance over, Brian. Exhaust tips, I never mentioned them. I had them after 206, I bought them on eBay, £15 a piece. So that's £30 for 2 exhaust tips. Now we bought the Y as well for it to go into. It was cheap because they make one for it. So there's no point us trying to make it. It was £61. 60 just applauded. Quits from eBay, so that was handy. That was, now I nearly forgot to say that. So the
winter flaggers.
I said the winter flaggers are 20 quid. I think that's us. Jimmy, that's us. Hey Jimmy, make a wee chart. Make a wee chart. Look, that's my squiggly writing. Don't laugh too hard. Make the chart go down, make it nice and special with the price and all the costs and how much it is costing us. At this stage, I think cars are looking a bit expensive. We bought it at £200. I don't think she's £200 anymore, and even the price of stuff we bought. We bought it quite cheap, didn't we? Stuff.
Yeah.
But it adds up, doesn't it? So, we'll just pretend you've done it, right? It ended up a fucking daycare. Look at the price of it, which is for sale. We're up for sale, folks. I'm going to put the price here now. This car could be yours for the lovely price of £299.95. 3,000 quid. £3,000, just leave it at. She's the dearest golf in the whole wide world with 178,000 miles on her. But she's fully serviced, she's looking great. Who wants to buy her? Because I don't need her. She's too good for me. I've done the work. I want to buy something else and pay her. Actually, sorry, I want to finish this, the Trans Am. So, I'm happy to say we're finished with the golf. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone that listened tonight. And thank you very much, because I've really enjoyed it up to doing all the work. You've enjoyed it, I've enjoyed it. And what's next? I know what's next this year, but Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Please buy my golf before Christmas. I'm going to put this video up tomorrow, the day before Christmas Eve. So buy yourself a nice gift for Christmas or buy it for somebody else. Happy days. Oh, by the way, I never really say it. Give me a wee follow for the crack, because you might as well, if you watched tonight and you haven't followed me by now. What's wrong with that now? Come on, make me smile at Christmas. Let me see the big follow. Cheerio.